People always ask, why will people change from farming with domestic animals, cattle or sheep, to farming with game? Cattle and sheep mainly are grazers, so they eat grass. With game you have a situation that you have browsers and you have mixed feeders, and they utilize the whole veld in terms of it. Here you can see a very good example of a browse line. So that will be kudu, impala browsing here. Then you get your larger animals like your eland will browse a little bit higher. They will break branches down with their horns and then they will eat the leaves. Giraffes will start from the top. So having game animals, you're utilizing vertical and horizontal in the feeding, versus with domestic animals you only have horizontal utilization of the property. It's also important that we keep our game numbers intact with the carrying capacity of the property. So what happened is that with these browse lines, if we don't keep the kudu numbers, for instance, intact, they will ask me, how do you keep it intact? You hunt them out. You can only carry so many kudu, because if the browse lines get too high, it starts negatively to impact on your biodiversity and the ecosystem.